Today we're making the Greek soup FAKES. Get 1 onion, chop it medium, 5 garlic cloves, slice them nice, 3 carrots, 3 celery sticks, dice them up a little bit. If they're big ones, using 2. On the high heat, put inside 1/4 cup Greek olive oil. Add the onions and the garlic inside, the carrots, the celery, 1 tablespoon tomato paste. Now mix them up. Put inside 400 grams washed lentils. You're gonna fight it good. 1 teaspoon Greek oregano, half a teaspoon black pepper, and 400 grams crushed tomatoes. Combine everything nicely. Now put inside roughly 1.5 liters water. You want him covered, plus have a little bit more. Put inside 3 fresh bay leaves and 1 bunch fresh thyme. One last mix. When it's boiling, put the lid, turn him down the heat, and leave him simmer roughly 40 minutes. To make him extra special, we get some fresh bread, cut him the lid, go around the sides, put inside your fingers, slowly, you take him out. Now you got it in one bowl. When they finish, put inside half a tablespoon salt, test her, and put some more salt, pepper if you need it. Put the soup inside, put some more Greek olive oil at the top, little bit red wine vinegar, and little bit chili flake at the top. It's bloody beautiful, mate.